Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. You're looking at a live chart of Yelp. The stock was gapping down at the open, and I'm going to walk you through a possible trade that hopefully will trigger here. I'm looking for a buy price at $36.15. Now, this is what I teach in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. I teach traders how to come up with these specific price levels where we're willing to buy a stock that's falling rapidly at the open or sell short a stock that's rising rapidly at the open. We can calculate levels where those stocks are A, drawn to, and B, will typically have a price reaction from in the other direction. That's what we're looking for in Yelp. The stock closed yesterday at around $41.50. You can see here it's trading down over 12%, and we're looking to pick this stock up at $36.15. Everybody else is dumping the stock. They're throwing the stock up, and we're going to pick it up on the cheap at $36.15, only looking for a quick scalp trade. That's what morning gap trading is, and that's what you're looking at here. You're looking at a morning gap trade. Here, we're getting closer. And all we're looking for is a quick scalp. Not looking to be in the stock for hours or days. I'm looking to be in the stock for a couple of minutes. I'm going to buy a nice share size, and I'm looking for at least 25 cents on the bounce. In fact, I'm going to put an order in here. Let me see if I get filled here. 15. No, I didn't get filled. All right. I want this price level. I can't believe it didn't get filled. It hit the bid. The bid was 50. I'm buying at 19. 36.19. Okay, I'm in. 36.19. So I bought it up a couple of pennies only because I know that this should be a really, really good price level for a bounce. Okay, so I'm going to be out of half the position at 36.45. Okay, 36.45. Okay, it's coming back down a little bit. All right, 36.45, and then what I'll do is, if that fills, I will put a break-even stop. And by the way, I'm not letting the stock go against me. 35.84, and I'm out of the stock. I don't even think I'll let it go down that much, if it should drop lower. So I'm looking for 36.45, and that will sell half the position. And the second half of the position, I'll put a break-even stop, and I'm looking for a little bit higher. I'm looking for 34.65. 34.65 on the second half. And that'll produce a nice trade if we can get this bounce. So in the trade for a minute, looking for a quick bounce, shouldn't be in it that long. This level should produce a nice bounce. This is what I teach in my gap trading course. I teach what stocks this works the best with. I teach how to calculate the price levels. I teach you everything you need to know at LazyGapTrader.com in order to trade the gaps, just like you're seeing here. We're already in the money by a little bit, okay? Looking for a little bit more, all right? There we go. Okay, I'm out of half the position already. Okay, I got filled on half the position, and now I'm looking for 65 on the other half. So I've sold half my position. Now I'm looking for 36.65 to get filled on the second half. I have a stop now in the money, no longer break even. It's in the money. This is no longer any possibility of a losing trade whatsoever. It can only be a profitable trade. I teach a whole video module in my course on how to turn trades like this into a risk-free, emotionless trade, and that's what you're seeing here now. This is completely risk-free at this point. It's just a matter of how much profit, not a matter of the profit. Looking for 65, just one more push. Couple of pennies. There, done. Out. 36.65 on the other half of the position. That's a nice gainer, folks. That was a 50-cent gainer on half of the position and 35-cent gainer on the other half of the position. Or 30-cent gainer on the first half, and the remaining position was out at 36.65. Folks, come over to LazyGapTrader.com. I teach you how to calculate these price levels. Who else is buying a stock to the penny down over 12% at the open? Who can teach you how to do that? Lazy Gap Trader can teach you how to do that. Folks, I'm David Frost. Let me teach this to you. Provide all the support you want for those of you that have purchased the course or those that will purchase the course. All the support you want to get you proficient at trading the gaps. If you have the desire and the discipline to do so, you can learn how to turn gap trading into a full-time income. I'm David Frost, Lazy Gap Trader. Thanks for tuning in, folks.